Look at this. Look how it's dancing. Yeah, that actually looks good. This is a fully 3D animated character, moving from a text prompt. And if I'm being completely honest with you, this is what the future of 3D motion looks like. No mocap suit, no keyframes, no expensive local GPU on my desk. This is NVIDIA ARDY, free AI animation, running in the browser through Kaggle. Let me show you exactly how I got here. Let's go. Welcome back. Most people will tell you NVIDIA ARDY needs Linux, a strong RTX card, and 32 gigs of RAM. And they're not wrong, if you run it locally. But I'm not doing what everyone else does in this video. After a long fight, I got ARDY running on Kaggle for free. I split the LLM and the ARDY models across 2 GPUs because this thing is heavy and multi-GPU support wasn't clean. I did the painful part so you don't have to guess. Let's start. So, what is NVIDIA ARDY? ARDY is an advanced AI model from NVIDIA that turns text prompts into real-time, interactive 3D human motion. Not a flat AI video, actual character animation. People, humanoids, even robot bodies. You type something like a person walks, jumps back, crouches and stands up, and ARDY generates the motion live. If you've been searching for free AI animation, AI mocap without a suit, or text to animation that feels real, this is the project people are talking about. Officially, the recommended path is Linux or Ubuntu, something like an RTX 4070 class GPU, and around 32 gigabytes of system RAM. But don't panic. Today, we skip the scary local install and run the whole NVIDIA ARDY workflow on Kaggle instead. First stop, Hugging Face. We need this because ARDY needs access credentials, a token, and you only set this up once. What is Hugging Face? Think of it like GitHub, but for AI models. Researchers and companies publish open models here, datasets, demos, licenses, and you can use a huge amount of it for free after you accept the terms. If you already have an account, just sign in. If not, register with your email. Type your username, confirm the email link, click approve, done. You now have a Hugging Face account. Next, open the Meta Llama 3 page. Inside the NVIDIA ARDY stack, the language model side uses Meta Llama 3. To stop abuse, Meta gates access. You request permission once. Fill the form. Affiliation can be student or your job title, whatever fits. Accept the license, submit. Now go to gated repo status. You'll see your request pending. Don't stress, it usually clears in a few hours. I'll switch to my main account where it's already approved. See? Approved. Open access tokens. Create new token. Make sure the type is read. Give it a name. Create token. Copy that key immediately. You can leave this tab open. If you lose it, just make a new one. No drama. Now we jump to the GitHub repo. Scroll down. Under Notebooks, find ARDY Motion Generator. Hit the Kaggle button. That opens the Kaggle notebook I set up for NVIDIA ARDY. And hey, if you star the GitHub repo, that actually makes me happy. On Kaggle, you need to be signed in and phone verified. Quick, what is Kaggle? Kaggle is a free Google-owned platform for data science and machine learning, competitions, datasets, and, the part we care about, free cloud notebooks with GPUs. Sign up with Google. It's free. Go to Settings. Phone verify. After verification, you unlock roughly 30 hours of GPU time per week. That's enough to run serious models like ARDY without buying hardware. Back in the ARDY notebook, click Copy/Edit. Top left, Settings. Accelerator must be GPU T4 × 2. If your account is verified, you'll see this option. Why 2 GPUs? Because ARDY is genuinely big. Clean multi-GPU support wasn't really there the way I needed. So I split the LLM and the ARDY models across 2 GPUs. That part took real work. Now hit Run All. On cell 2, it asks for your Hugging Face token. Paste the key you copied. Now we wait. Packages install, environment builds, weights pull down. This can take 10 to 15 minutes. I told you, this model is heavy. And there it is, an error on step 7. Good, I'm glad we hit this on camera. Nothing is broken on your side. Sometimes the model simply doesn't fit in memory on the first pass and crashes. Top right, 3 dots. Restart and run all cells. Don't worry, this round is much faster. The packages are already cached in memory. Paste your token again. Wait a bit. See that? Flying. Step 7 is clean this time. Last stage. Still waiting. There, it generated a link. Click it. And Ardy is live. Full interface. Model running. You don't need a beast PC. You don't need 32 gigs of RAM on your desk. With Kaggle, NVIDIA ARDY is free AI animation in the cloud. There's already an active prompt. I hit play, and yeah, a fully 3D character moving from text. Completely free. Let me test a few prompts. Text panel. Oh, nice. There's a preset list too. A person jumps backwards. Update text prompt. Waiting. Playback. Play. Yes, stepping backward. That actually landed. Okay, my turn. Longer prompt. A person walks forward, then turns around and walks back. Update. Wait. Play. Walking. Walking. Turns. And comes back. That was a more complex instruction, and it held up. Let's mess with settings. Model. Skeleton. There's G1. Click. Ah, it's a robot now. Okay, that's clean. So we can swap the character body. I asked it to dance. Okay, those moves are weird. I think that's just its dance. Same prompt on the other character. Ah, look at this. Look how it's dancing. This one is actually good. Like, really good. We can export as PKL. From there, you convert it and bring it into Blender. Full transparency, I'm not the deepest expert on that export chain yet. But being able to go from a sentence to a moving 3D character, that's genuinely super. There are tons of controls here. Don't be scared to touch them, especially if you make games or 3D animation. You're going to love this project. One more detailed prompt. A person crouches down, picks something up, and stands up. Update, wait, play. It really does what I typed. Crouch, move, stand. Prompt to motion, live. From here, it's your imagination. You can make it walk, jump, sneak, dance, carry, fight stances, whatever you can describe in English. Let me be straight with you. This is not a magic one-click Hollywood pipeline. Export into Blender, retargeting to your own mesh. That's a real next skill layer. But free text to animation with NVIDIA ARDY on Kaggle? This is already a huge unlock. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll do the full follow-up. How to get this into Blender, how to retarget onto your own character, meshing, the whole fun pipeline. So if this was useful, like the video. If you want that Blender episode, like helps me know. Subscribing to the channel takes just 2 seconds. That means everything to me. Now go break the prompts. I'll see you in the next one.